Good morning, this is Joe with J&J Insulation. So, what are we doing today? Same thing we do every day, trying to insulate the world. We are, once again, establishing a thermal envelope in a home. So this is a modular home. It means it came in two parts, and you can see that based on the construction here. So it's a house that was made in a factory, and they bred it here in two pieces and screwed it together in the middle. So, why are we in here? They have fiberglass. Well, they do, but they don't. All the insulation in the world doesn't matter if you don't have it in the right spot. So, right below me, this pink insulation is where there's a flat ceiling. That is at the height of the flat ceiling. Now, over here, where this pink layer is, that is the height of the cathedral, because half of this is flat ceiling, the other half is cathedral. So we have this giant space here where there is absolutely no insulation, unless you count that little ribbon right there, which is an R value of nothing, really. So what we're doing today is we are taking proper vents, cardboard proper vents, we're putting them as a backer on the back side of this to actually create a wall. Then what we're going to do is we're going to fill this finished cavity in with cellulose to create a true thermal envelope. Now, the reason we're here is because last winter the homeowner had horrific ice damming. The reason for that ice damming, all the heat that was escaping through this half-inch drywall and probably 7/16, yep, looks like 7/16 OSB, which has an R value of maybe 3, 4. So we're going to be giving him an R21 in this spot. So we're going to be more than quintupling his R value in these spots. Then we're going to be bringing the rest of this glass up to in R50 as well. You can see all these spaces where you can just see down there, the top plate. You can see the plate, you can see the drywall. So you've got all these spaces here where all that air can leak through. And you can see the couple little mouse turds in there too, in that one. Mice and bats love bats. Fiberglass is about the worst thing you can do to insulate your house. Please stop using it. Please, 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 I beg of you. And we'll also be extending these proper vents up too to ensure soffit to ridge ventilation. Have a good one.